tell you, no one has ever achieved greatness by being 100% ready to do that. You will never be at the point where you are 100% ready to do what you have to do. I want to challenge you today. I want to tell you today that you have greatness within you that can make you achieve anything you want in life. A lot of people try to do something once, and if it fails, they chill back and say, no, I wasn't ready for that. I want to tell you something. If you do something once and it doesn't work out, it doesn't mean that you're a failure. It doesn't mean that you're not ready. It basically means that you did something, you got feedback. When you do something and you get feedback, it might be feedback that is positive, it might be feedback that is negative. But you need both positive and negative feedback, because positive feedback is great, it's enjoyable, it gives you great memories. But negative feedback, it gives you greatest experiences. Greatest experiences are obtained from negative circumstances. You have to be at the point where you understand that enough is enough. You have to stand up, you have to fight for your dream, you have to be at the point where you say, I have to go towards it. I want it, I want to achieve it. I dreamt about it, I want it to become a reality. That TV that you're watching now, that chair that you're sitting on now, the couch that you're sitting on now, it was somebody else's dream. Your dream can become a reality. It can come to pass, or if you take action. Let me tell you, I can motivate you so much that you will be motivated. But motivation without action is a complete waste of time. You have to be at the point where you say, these words are positive, but what am I doing with them? You have to take action towards your goal. Take action to become what and who you have to be. Let me tell you, you will never achieve what you have to achieve without being the person that you have to be, that does what. Come if you don't become. How will it happen? It is through taking.
Love it. Yep, we are on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you